have more mood swings than women. So there is a difference between someone wanting you in their bed and someone wanting you actually Netflix and chill. Then you can take her out and not call her at your place on the first day only.
You'll never get over it. Mustard!
What happened?
She said no. She said she's scared of her mom. Hi. Would you like to be in our video? No. What?
Come on, one YouTube
on,
video.
We're talking about dating in Bangalore. We want to know
It's
what
fucked
people.
up.
It's fucked up.
Yeah, people here just want to hook up and sleep. They don't value a meaningful relationship.
That and all happens, sir.
Yeah.
Damn,
I
bro.
didn't even know.
I'm
Yeah,
so
that's
sorry.
sad actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you find that? Are you from here and from Bangalore?
No, I'm from Kolkata.
So how is the dating scene over there?
I don't know. I was very like
Young to
yeah,
date
young to date there. Yeah.
And here, when you've dated, it's been bad.
Yeah.
Very bad.
Yeah.
So let's say you know different places where people find dates, right? Like dating apps, pubs, parks, blah 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 blah.
So dating apps are the biggest red flags according to me, because all the traumatized and like people who had some problems in their life, or they are not able to move on from their ex, they end up there and they're not sure what they want. So I will recommend people not to use dating apps.
At all.
Yeah, love should happen organically, right? You meet someone and you accept that people as he is, or whatever flaws he has, you accept all those things. It should happen like that.
She seems like a green flag, bro.
I don't know.
100% green flag.
Yeah.
Whatever you said is a green flag thing. So you think dating apps are the worst?
Yeah, and
What is
pubs also, if you're meeting someone, I don't think so, like they have good intention to like.
So
That
pubs are
happened
for
to me. Yeah.
pubs are for friends
Yeah,
and
yeah,
everybody's
yeah,
looking
yeah,
for
yeah.
hookups.
Red flag.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to
Those
have
are
like
red
a
flags.
connection.
Yeah, like
What's
if
the-
someone is actually enjoying hookups and all those things,
That's
then
for
they
them.
can go for this dating apps and all those things. But for me, I want something like real. So
Of course.
it's been very fucked up for me.
So
in
what's the
Bangalore.
best place do you say is to find dates? Like go
Nothing.
approach-
Don't find. It will come to you automatically, like organically. Don't find. Once you stop finding, you will find it. Like it will find you.
Tell it to the kid. Tell
Quote
it. To the
it.
guy.
Once you stop finding love or searching for love, it will come to you automatically.
Wow.
Wow, that's really thanks, man.
Thank
That
you.
that was bars.
That was like.
That was like we have to put it in a rap song.
Unless you find someone like that, you just stay single and focus on your career.
And while you're single,
on
are you
money.
hooking up or no?
No, I'm completely single. I don't hook up or anything. I
She
just
said like she had a bad experience at a pub. What was that?
Yeah. Do I need to tell that? Okay, so I was dating a guy from South India only, and it was a situationship, and I was very immature to understand that what is a situationship. So I fell for him, and he didn't. And then he told that his parents are very orthodox, and that's why we have to discontinue everything. And then he left me, and now he is dating another girl who is not from his caste. So I'm not sure what he wants.
That's again another situationship.
Another fucked up.
Yeah, it's another situationship for him. Maybe, I don't know.
Why, bro? Why do people do this? Like there are people looking actually for hookups. Go with them,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
But
Might
they
take
will not
someone, yeah.
admit also that they want hookup, because I have seen many people are like afraid of telling this upfront. That I just want hookup on something.
Yeah, they try to manipulate.
Yeah.
And they don't know if they'll end up with a genuine person or a person who wants hookup.
They're very confused. Very, like, men have more mood swings than women.
What?
I have seen that. Yeah.
First time I've heard that. Really, you
Yeah,
think so?
really, they do. It happened to me.
Oh man.
enough.
It's
There are
it's
some people I know.
okay.
Yeah.
One last thing. On
Yeah.
scale of 1 to 10, how hard is it to find dates in Bangalore? Not quality dates, just dates. Like if you want to just go out, how hard
In
is it?
this generation, it is like 2. I'll say 2.
2.
Maybe
It's
if
not
you're
at all
very
hard.
lucky, you will get someone. Otherwise, it's 2.
So
For
it's
me,
not at
though,
all
it's
hard.
negative.
It's not at all hard, is what you're saying.
Maybe it's hard or not at all hard, but because I have been in Bangalore for last 2 years, so I haven't found someone. So I don't
Do
know.
you get approached a lot?
Yeah, I do, but I know the
How-
difference
what are
between.
what are the different ways people approach you?
They come to me and tell me upfront sometimes, do you want to grab a coffee or something, do you want to chill at my place? So there is a difference between someone wanting you in their bed and someone wanting you actually for to build a genuine connection or marry you, because
how
I
do you
date to
differentiate?
marry.
How do you differentiate?
What
are the signs?
I'm very mature to differentiate. That's why I keep avoiding people. I don't know who is genuine and who is not. But most of the time, there are few things that they will mention. That can you come to my place, Netflix and chill, blah
Oh,
blah shit.
Netflix and chill, Netflix and chill. That's a big.
motive.
Yeah, yeah. You
Yeah.
will. You have that sixth sense, no?
Yeah.
You
You'll
can feel the
understand.
What's like the gentleman way to approach? Like, what's like the nice way to approach?
Uh,
And a place. What setting is ideal to approach?
First, you can just ask her that, like, initiate a conversation. Where are you from? I find you really pretty and beautiful. Can I take you out on a date? Then you can take her out and not call her at your place on the first day only. कि घर पे आ जाओ. Don't do that. Just ask her politely. Try to build a conversation and ask what she loves. Try to show interest.
Okay.
Yeah, try to know her, because just by the looks you cannot fall in love, so you have to know the person.
Hey, she seems very mature, bro.
Yeah,
Give
you
your
see
green back to her. She's a
flag,
green
big
flag.
green flag.
Green flag
Thanks a lot.
waving
I
all
don't know,
the.
I'm not sure about that,
Well,
but yeah,
you're
this
on
is
your
my
journey,
experience.
bro.
Thank you.
Whoever wrong with that
At least you
guy,
are green flag in this video. People are gonna be like, she's so nice. She's a
Which
green
channel
flag.
this is, by
This
the
is
way?
Kiran Kumar YT, my own channel.
So it's
I'll-
YouTube channel. It's
Yes,
a YouTube
yes.
channel.
Yes,
I would
YouTube.
like to subscribe it.
Whoa, whoa.
Yeah.
Thank you. Can you tell them to subscribe?
Yeah, please subscribe to their channel, guys.
I'm nice. Subscribe, guys. Come on. Why don't you subscribe, guys? What
So
the-
you will also have to do a lot of marketing. People will not subscribe like this, no?
Yeah.
You'll have to do few things.
Yeah, definitely. I will.
Yeah, you will.
I mean, I've been, but still, yeah.
Yeah.
Hold this, no?
Yeah.
Kiran Kumar YT. Do you work in marketing?
Sales.
Sales.
Yeah. B2B sales.
So you can see how when a guy is selling himself and when he's not selling himself.
Yes. Still, I was dumb. I couldn't understand in past, but gradually I will.
Okay, take care. Bye bye. See.
Yeah. Nice.
Audio is good. I think audio is good. Yeah. Tell.
That was nice. She was big green flag, but I guess she's been tricked by a lot of mean guys.
Yeah, but she seems like a very sweet girl.
She seems like a very sweet girl who's
Nice.
figuring out that the world is fucked up, which is true. You have to be really careful. You don't know, When
Yeah.
people come to you, they're a different person, and when you start dating them, they're a different person.
Yeah,
Slowly, the
people keep
crazy
changing.
kicks in.
People keep changing, no? That is hard.
I though know that I'm into crazy people, so I to crave for it. If there's not enough crazy in my life, I'm bored.
You're next level. Bro, cool outfits, man. I love the outfits.
Would you guys like to be in our video?
What's it about?
It's about dating in Bangalore and stuff. We're asking opinions about it.
I know nothing about that, so
It's okay, bro. Your opinions do matter.
Yes, bro.
it's fine. It's fine.
Come,
Are
bro.
bro?
Not really comfortable.
Okay, if
Okay.
you're not
Whatever.
comfortable, done.
Yeah.
I'm an actor.
Yeah. Oh, wait, yeah. Nice. Good one.
Your
huh?
name?
My name is